Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. So if you are here to find out what is happening right now with price action of Bitcoin and also what kind of scenario to expect next, then guys, you are definitely at the right place, because in this video I am going to show you some very interesting scenario which could be unfolding next. So starting this year in a weekly time frame, I want to talk about this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, because we know the weekly has unfortunately closed below this yellow line, which is 14.59 Fibonacci level, and that is a sign of weakness, because we know losing the support from this 14.59, which was sitting around 41,000 area. Now the next possible target, the area where we could be possibly getting gravitated, is this blue line, which is the 9.02 Fibonacci level, and that is lying around 37,400 price range. So that's why now this 37,000, since the price has broken the support from this 14.59, is going to be looked as a potential downward target for Bitcoin for this week. So that's why guys, please do not over leverage yourself at this current stage. As you can see, the downward potential is very high. And also guys, also if you look at this in a daily time frame, even in a daily time frame, the price is remaining bearish. I mean, the crossover what we are witnessing here, 50 exponential crossing above this 20 exponential moving average, along with that this bearish MACD cross, RSI line below 50 level, and at the same time, as you can see, the T3CCI indicator in a in a negative territory, which is also indicating the trend here is weakening. So that is also another reason why the price of Bitcoin could be slowly starting this move in here towards this 37 to 38,000 range in the upcoming days for Bitcoin, because we know right now the only reason why we are holding this line around this 39-40,000 range is because of this rising trend line, because this rising trend line, just like as here in the past Bitcoin price action, has acted as a strong line of support, right? As you can see, every time when this rising trend line got tested, we had some really nice impulsive movement, but when we fail to hold the support at this rising trend line, after that a price retracement. And now in our case right now, as you can see, this rising trend line is a strong line of support, and if this support is going to get broken, then the next potential target, as you can see, is going to be around this 30,000 area. So that's why guys, we must remain above this 39,000 at any cost, because losing that support will also trigger another sell off, right, which is being already indicated from this indicator and also from this weekly time frame, because in weekly, as you can see, the next potential target, since we are broken below this 14,559, is lying around 37,400 price area. And beside this guys, beside this, we know this is a channel which has previously acted as a strong line of support each and every time the price retested the lower line area. As you can see, right, we saw some really nice relief rally where we also got attracted towards the upper line area. In our case, we are still holding the line, right? This still holding the line. So that is also one reason why, if we are going to break below this 39,000, then guys, then we could be actually starting this new downward movement from there on. So that's why for the immediate short term, for the upcoming days, this 39,000 support must not be broken at any cost for Bitcoin. And not just only this guys, not just only this, if you also monitor the price movement around this area right now, let me show you this one very interesting chart. So yesterday I talked about this 4-hour time frame using this Fibonacci line, because we knew each and every time the price of Bitcoin tried to break out of this 0.5 and 0.618 Fibonacci line, we got a rejection. And as soon as the price failed to break out of it, what happened? We had this bigger price retracement. And now if we take this Fibonacci line from this swing high till this swing low area, you can see a very similar price movement is also unfolding. I mean, price getting rejection around this 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line. You can see we got retracement, and now the price is also struggling to continue this rally here to the upper direction. So if the price of Bitcoin, right, let me be very clear here, manages to break out of this 41 to 42,000 range, then guys, then I am going to be turning bullish for the immediate short term. But as long as we are going to remain below this 0.5 to 0.618, this trend could be slowly, right, could be slowly heading here towards the downward area. Because right now guys, right now, if you monitor this price movement here, just like what I mentioned on my previous video, this could be also looked more as a head and shoulder type of formation. So that's why, since this neckline has already been broken, right, we could be slowly starting this downward rally. And if that is going to play out, then as you can see here in the immediate short term or in the upcoming days, this lower price target around 38,400, 38,300 could be also on the line. So to invalidate all the bearish scenario, the price of Bitcoin must overcome this obstacle, which is lying around 41,000 to 42,000 range. So this are some of the interesting scenario that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and also for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.